With very few options for instructors who desired a different approach to training, the IDS Apex program would facilitate a new path forward.
That's the point.
And dare to take on the most elite self-defense black belt test in the world.
Break, index, and we're just getting started. Bye. We're just beginning to figure out what we can really do. Stand by. Bye. 0.94. We're going to slowly speed things up. And an entirely new paradigm for how training should happen for citizen defenders. We want to get to the point where we're really rocking this. All right, go ahead and top off. 1 through 5, punch one. We are showing the world what is possible for real people. And we're just getting warmed up. Reload. 2, 1, 5. Fight IQ, the new paradigm in training for armed guardians. We're not teaching you how to be a gunfighter. We're teaching you to be a fighter with a gun.